The Bollywood drug ring probe was raised today in the parliament. BJP MP Ravi Kishan in the Lok Sabha today said that a conspiracy is being hatched to destroy the country's youth, with agencies now probing the drug cartel, the Bollywood drug cartel. In fact, Kishan went on to add that the youth have to be saved as they follow their Bollywood icons. Now, this comes as the NCB arrested 7 more people linked to Sushant Singh Rajput's drug link case connected to girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti and her brother Shouvik. The NCB conducted raids at Shouvik's friend Suryadeep Mehrotra's house this morning, who is being currently quizzed by the NCB. Sources have told India Today that NCB there suspects Rhea Chakravarti used her mother's phone as well to procure drugs. Sources also reveal that Rhea refused to give her mother's phone to the ED, and the phone was eventually recovered after searching Rhea's house.
हमारे देश में ड्रग ट्रैफिकिंग, ड्रग एडिक्शन की समस्या बढ़ती जा रही है। प्रतिवर्ष चीन और पाकिस्तान के रास्ते देश में भारी मात्रा में नशे की दवाइयों की तस्करी होती है, मंगाई जाती है, पंजाब के रास्ते, नेपाल के रास्ते। और नशे की दवाइयां हमारी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी इसके एडिक्शन करवा। तो मैं आपके माध्यम से केंद्र सरकार से आग्रह करता हूं, अपनी सरकार से, जो हिसाब से आज हम लोग एकदम इनको चारों तरफ पकड़ रहे हैं, तो ये सख्त कार्रवाई की जाए, दोषियों को जल्द पकड़ा जाए, उन्हें उचित सजा दी जाए तथा पड़ोसी देशों की जो साजिश है युवा पीढ़ी को बर्बाद करने की, उस पर रोक लगाई जाए महोदय।
In the ongoing crackdown by the Narcotics Control Bureau against drug peddlers, Suryadeep Mehrotra, who's the friend of Shouvik Chakrabarti, a school friend of Shouvik Chakrabarti, has been arrested by the NCB. 2 places were raided and searched by the Narcotics Control Bureau, one of which was Shouvik's friend Suryadeep Mehrotra's residence, while another place is still being raided and searched by NCB officials. Suryadeep Mehrotra, meanwhile, has been placed under arrest. His name had emerged in chat messages of Shouvik Chakrabarti, and also during interrogation of the arrested drug peddlers, they revealed Suryadeep Mehrotra's name as one of the persons dealing in banned narcotic substances. With camera person Kiran Sapkal and Arvind Oja, this is Divyesh Singh in Mumbai for India Today.
Cutting across to Munish Pandey, joining us live for more details. Munish, take us through what's where the investigation here is headed with regards to the NCB. We understand has cracked down on 7 more people, and now a huge ruckus in the parliament as well, where BJP MP asks for this drug mafia within Bollywood to be completely cracked down and those involved arrested because it's influencing the youth of the country. And this is the need of the hour.
Javel Nabila, there are 2 important points. First of all, the Rhea Chakravarti drug connection case. Now, what NCB claims that they started reverse investigation, they arrested the drug peddlers and then they reached Rhea Chakravarti. Now, that's the end point. But also there are several other drug peddlers who were providing drugs to Samuel Miranda, Dipesh Sawant, Shouvik Chakravarti, which was eventually reaching to Rhea Chakravarti. So those drug peddlers are being arrested at this point of time. But also, these are the drug peddlers who are suspected to be providing drugs to many other Bollywood personalities, and this is going to be very crucial for the investigation because there are 2 FIRs registered by the NCB. One is FIR number 16, in which Rhea Chakravarti and Shouvik Chakravarti are accused in the case, but the other FIR is about the big Bollywood drug cartel about which Ravi Kishan was talking about today. And what we have been given to understand is that after questioning the newly arrested drug peddlers, there might be some of the Bollywood personalities who will come under scanner because in most of the cases what NCB claims that their drivers or the workers for big Bollywood personalities, those are the people who might have came in contact with these drug peddlers and got drugs for their, basically the employers. So NCB claims that now their probe is widening not only in Rhea Chakravarti's case but also in the overall Bollywood case, and after questioning these newly arrested accused, they might come up with some new name which which are going to be from Bollywood.
Right.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.